Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you few designer outfits which now you can buy from me in wholesale rate also. So if you want these dresses, then please let me know in the WhatsApp number given below in the description box, and also I shared in the screen. So do subscribe to my channel if you like these kind of videos, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.